Ray, what was your quick question in VS Code?
On the right-hand side, how do you get that column that shows you the hotkeys?
Let me show you. Well, it is not a column. That is just the outline of the program. And it depends on which one you have. But as a very, very quick summary, let me just open this up. You let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes.
Right. So what happens here is it is not the hotkeys. It's the outline of the whole program that you have open at the moment. And in this case, if it is a class, it will give you all the variables of that class, and it would give you all the functions or methods of that class. If what you have has hotkeys, then that hotkey will also show up down there. You see that? But it's the file. It's not that. Now, this outline right here is usually, when you start with VS Code, is usually found in here like this. And you will see it where, if you go to the Explorer window where the files can be seen, you will see a little accordion at the bottom with two things, the timeline and the outline. What I do, because this is very annoying having to move this up and down, is that I drag it into my other bar. You see? So I just drag it there, and now I can have it like this. And basically, it is always telling me how the program looks. This is for me not to scroll too much, because this way, if I have a program that has 5,000 lines, I can just go to validate error, and it would just jump there, or just go to the check function, or go to the set function. That's it. It is just a quick way of browsing the code without having to scroll too much. All right.
Okay. Thanks for going over time.
All right,
Hey,
we'll see
guys.
you guys later. Have a great
Bye.
weekend.